Today, we're exploring the journey of Leona Lewis, the British vocal powerhouse who skyrocketed to international fame after winning the third series of The X Factor in 2006. With her record-breaking hit Bleeding Love, she became a global superstar and a voice for a generation. However, in recent years, she has traded the frantic pace of the pop charts for a more balanced life focused on activism, entrepreneurship, and family. So, where is Leona Lewis now? Let's find out. Leona Lewis made history as the first female winner of the X Factor, quickly becoming one of the best-selling acts in the world. Her debut album, Spirit, became the fastest-selling debut in UK history and earned her 3 Grammy nominations. While she continued to release successful albums like Echo and Glassheart, she eventually sought more creative control, parting ways with Simon Cowell's Sicko label in 2014. Since then, she has expanded her horizons into acting, making her Broadway debut as Grizabella in Cats, and has dedicated much of her life to animal rights and humanitarian work through her Hopefield Animal Sanctuary. In her personal life, Leona found lasting happiness with professional dancer and choreographer Dennis Jauk. The couple married in a stunning ceremony in Tuscany in 2019 and welcomed their first child, a daughter named Carmel Allegra, in July 2022. Balancing motherhood with her career, Leona has remained a consistent presence in the holiday music scene, with her modern classic One More Sleep becoming a seasonal staple that climbs the charts every December. Where is Leona Lewis now? As of now, Leona Lewis is spending Christmas with her family at her home in Los Angeles. While she remains a resident of California, she continues to spend significant time in the UK, particularly during the holiday season. This December has been a major milestone for her career, as she recently completed a highly successful 2025 UK Christmas tour, which saw her performing sold-out shows across the country to celebrate the enduring popularity of her holiday discography. Professionally, 2025 has seen Leona focusing on new creative ventures beyond music. She has been actively developing her sustainable coffee brand, Coffee and Flowers, and continues her work as a vocal coach and mentor. Fans are also eagerly anticipating a return to the studio, as she hinted in late 2025 that she has been writing new, soulful material for a potential 2026 album release. Today, however, she is taking a well-deserved break to celebrate her daughter's 3rd Christmas, sharing glimpses of her festive decorations and plant-based holiday meals with her followers. Leona Lewis has transitioned from a reality TV sensation into a multifaceted artist and advocate who prioritizes her values and her family. While her voice remains as powerful as ever, she is now using it on her own terms, proving that there is life and great success long after the Bleeding Love era. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on your favorite music icons and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.